Good morning, ninth class. The topic we are starting today is interconversion of states of matter. Now, already explained states of matter, how many types of states of matter we have. Okay, but important one is that one is solid, liquid, and gas. But generally, these states of matter are interconvertible, means we can change the states of matter simple by changing the temperature or by changing the pressure. Either we can increase or decrease the temperature, okay, or by increase or decrease the pressure we can change the state of matter. Okay, and when we change the temperature or either it's a pressure, then different processes we have. Now first of all, just see that one, it's a type of flowchart. I'll explain all the definition to you with the help of this flowchart. Now first is that one is solid, another state of matter is liquid, and last one is gas. Now in case of solid, okay, first of all, that solid is converted into liquid. How? Question arises कि how solid is converted into liquid. Okay, when we increase the temperature, simple, either by providing heat or okay, either by providing heat, when we increase temperature, then the process in which that solid is converted into liquid, okay, on heating, that process is known as melting. The simple, the process of converting solid into liquid on heating, that process is known as melting. Okay, or either you can say this process is known as fusion. Okay, and the temperature at which this melting occur, means solid is converted into liquid, that temperature is known as its melting point. For example, that ice melts at 0 degree Celsius. Exactly we can say 0 degree, but the exact degree Celsius is 0.15 degree Celsius, but we can take it as 0 degree Celsius, no problem. Okay, now second thing is when liquid is converted into gas, or either you can say liquid is converted into vapors. So that process, the simple, when we heat it or we increase the temperature by heating, then the process in which liquid is converted into gas, okay, that process is known as, first of all, that one is boiling. Either you can say it's a vaporization, okay, or either you can say that process is evaporation. Okay, this one is, because in all three things are almost same, not exactly, okay, because there is a difference in boiling and evaporation, but in both the processes that liquid is converted into gas, or we can say vapors. Okay, this one is known as boiling or evaporation. Okay, and the temperature at which that liquid is converted into gas at atmospheric pressure, that one is known as its boiling point. Okay, now third thing is, okay, just see, gas is converted into liquid. So gas is also converted into liquid. Now in case of gas, this one is, okay, so this when we decrease the temperature, अगर आप थोड़ा सा टेम्परेचर कम कर दो, when we decrease the temperature, then gases start condensing, they are converted into liquid. So that process, when gas is converted into liquid, that process is known as condensation. Simple process. Okay, so that one is condensation. Now in case of this one, that one is liquid, another one is liquid is converted into solid. Okay, the liquid is converted into solid. This process is known as solidification. This process is known as solidification, or either you can say this process is freezing. Okay, when we decrease the temperature, then liquid is converted into solid. Okay, again in this one, that water freezes at 0 degree Celsius. Okay, so that one is known as freezing, or this one is solidification. Okay, now there are so many substances, okay, or compounds, we can say, that they are directly converted from solid to gas on increasing temperature, or again when we decrease temperature, then they are converted from gas to solid. Okay, so that type of process, yeah, that process in which solid is converted into gas or vapors, or either way the gases or vapors are converted into solid, okay, that process is known as sublimation. Okay, that process is known as sublimation. Okay, now thank you.